So guys, for the first step, you want to head over into this screen. Now, there are two ways to get into this screen. So for the first way, this is if you can sign into Windows. So just like me, I'm on Windows right now and I can sign into it. So if you can sign into Windows, then you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. It will then take you into that screen. And now for the second way, this is if you cannot sign into Windows. So if you cannot sign into Windows, then you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again from the power button again. And now once your computer's turning on, once you see the Windows loading screen, you want to just turn off your computer again and then turn it back on again. So you want to repeat this 3 times. So turn off your computer, turn it on again. When you see the Windows loading screen, turn it off again and then turn it on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it will take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on advanced options. And now once you're on this screen, you want to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options and then click on command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec space /fix MBR. Click on enter. And then you want to type in bootrec space /fix boot. Click on enter again. For me it says access is denied because I don't have this problem, but in your case it should be working. And then you want to type in bcd edit space /export space c:\bcd backup. Click on enter. And now you want to type in attrib space c:\boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s. Click on enter. And now you want to type in ren space c:\boot /bcd space bcd.old. Click on enter. Again, these commands should be working for you. It's not working for me because I don't have this problem. I'm just showing you this for the tutorial. And now you want to type in bootrec space /rebuild bcd. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now you want to type in exit. Click on enter. And now you can continue on to Windows. And then the problem should be fixed.